How to change Google Play Store country. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch Google Play Store app. And now you need to tap Not Now. Once you land on your home screen, you need to navigate to profile icon at top right. A menu pop-up where you need to choose payment and subscriptions. Now choose payment methods among all of these options. You will reach on this page where you have to tap more payment settings and you need to choose a browser and you will be redirected to this page. Now navigate to add a payment method button and on this section you can easily enter your card number, date and card holder name including your billing address. When you choose the billing address you can easily enter the country which you want to enter and then tap on Save button at bottom right. And from this section, we can easily change Google Play Store country. I hope this guide worked and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.